Have you ever wondered what lurked beneath the ocean floor millions of years ago? Let's cast our minds back, way back, to a time when the world was a vastly different place. A time when giant creatures roamed the earth and the oceans teemed with life forms that would make your blood run cold. Today, we're not just talking about dinosaurs. We're going deeper, right to the bottom of the sea where a terror unlike any other lay coiled and ready to strike. Today we delve into the depths of the past for an exploration like no other. In the oceanic depths of Taiwan, scientists have unearthed a prehistoric nightmare. A relic from a time when monsters roamed the earth, an ancestor of the modern bobbit worm, has made its presence known from the shadows of history. This ancient terror, now known only from the fossilized burrows it left behind, was no ordinary worm. This underwater behemoth measured an astonishing 2 meters in length, its burrow a gaping maw 2 to 3 centimeters in diameter. Just imagine an underwater creature lurking beneath the surface longer than most people are tall. These burrows, now solidified remnants of a bygone era, represent a new group of animals, the Penicnus, identified solely by the traces they left behind. A chilling testament to a predator that once ruled the ocean floor. But what's even more intriguing is how this ancient marauder hunted. Just like its modern-day descendant, the bobbit worm, this ancient predator is believed to have used stealth and surprise to capture its prey. Exploding out of its burrow with lightning speed, it would seize unsuspecting creatures, dragging them down into the sediment and into the abyss. A swift and sudden end for any creature unlucky enough to stray too close. It's a fascinating, albeit terrifying glimpse into the past, showing us that the ocean has always been a place of survival, of predator and prey. It's a testament to the adaptability of life and a sobering reminder that we share our planet with creatures beyond our wildest imaginations. This is but a glimpse of what used to lurk beneath the ocean's surface. A world of ancient predators hidden from our sight but forever imprinted in the sands of time. Who knows what else lies in wait, ready to be unearthed from the ocean's depths? Imagine a predator so terrifying, it explodes out of the ground to snatch its unsuspecting prey. This is not a horror movie plot, but the reality of the bobbit worm. This marine worm, named after a notorious case from the 90s, is a true terror of the deep. It buries itself in the soft seabed, leaving only a fraction of its body exposed. Like a nightmarish jack-in-the-box, it waits patiently for an unsuspecting meal to swim by. The bobbit worm is not just a passive observer in the marine world. It is a highly active predator, equipped with sharp, scissor-like jaws that can slice through fish and other marine creatures with ease. What's more, it is lightning fast. In the blink of an eye, it lunges out of its burrow, snatches its prey, and drags it back into the sandy depths. The prey is consumed, the sand shifts, and once again, the worm lies in wait, hidden in plain sight. The bobbit worm's predatory prowess is not just effective, it's terrifyingly efficient. It's a method so successful that it has been honed and perfected over millions of years. But this is not a story of evolution. It's a story of survival, of a creature that has managed to thrive in a constantly changing world. And it's not just the bobbit worm that we should be marveling at. It's the ancient, extinct ancestor of this worm that truly demands our attention. This prehistoric terror was even larger and more formidable than its modern-day counterpart, hunting and dominating the ancient seas with the same ruthless efficiency. Imagine that, a world where these colossal worms ruled the sea floor, bursting from the ground with terrifying speed to claim their prey. A world where every swim could be your last, where the ground beneath you could conceal a predator of unimaginable size and power. This was the terror of the ancient seas, hidden in plain sight. The ancient worm left behind more than just fossilized burrows. It marked its existence in the annals of time, leaving behind a legacy that continues to fascinate and stupefy us even today. This legacy is the Penicnus, a newly classified group of animals identified solely by the traces they left behind. This discovery is not just another addition to the fossil record. It is a window into a world that existed 20 million years ago, a world teeming with life forms so diverse and so different than what we see today. The Penicnus, with their 2-meter-long burrows, are a testament to that diversity. These ancient worms, hiding in the seabed, ambushing their prey, and dragging them into the sediment were predators like no other. But the legacy of these ancient predators goes beyond their hunting tactics. The discovery of the Penycnus also provides evidence of a robust paleo-ecosystem, an ecosystem that could support such large and predatory life forms. It paints a picture of the seas that once covered Eurasia, seas that were home to creatures as terrifying as the Penycnus. This discovery has implications for how we understand evolution as well. The Penycnus, with their similarities to the modern bobbit worm, provide evidence for the evolutionary success of these predatory tactics. They show how these tactics have been conserved over millions of years, proving successful in the survival of species. The discovery of the Penycnus is a testament to the power of paleontology, the study of ancient life. It is through this field that we can unravel the mysteries of the past, understand the world that once was, and gain insights into the world that we live in today. Our understanding of ancient ecosystems just got a whole lot more interesting. The Penycnus, with their 2-meter-long burrows and predatory tactics, have added a new chapter to our understanding of life on Earth. They have left behind a legacy that continues to intrigue and inspire, a legacy that is sure to fuel our curiosity and our quest for knowledge for years to come. What does this all mean for our understanding of the past? This discovery is not just about the existence of a giant predatory worm that terrorized the seas millions of years ago. It's a revelation that significantly broadens our comprehension of ancient ecosystems and the evolution of species. The fossilized burrows of this ancient bobbit worm, which have been classified as a new group of animals called Penycnus, offer invaluable insights into the creature's behavior and its environment. These burrows are like time capsules, preserving the traces of an ancient predator's life and giving us a glimpse into a world that existed 20 million years ago. The discovery also illustrates the predator's success over a long period. Similar hunting tactics of the ancient and modern bobbit worms suggest a level of evolutionary stability. It demonstrates how a successful survival strategy can persist over millions of years, evolving and adapting but retaining its core essence. The existence of such a large predator also sheds light on the robustness and diversity of the paleo-ecosystem. For a creature of this size to thrive, it would have required a plentiful and diverse supply of prey. This indicates a vibrant, dynamic ecosystem teeming with a variety of marine life. Moreover, the study of ancient ecosystems helps us understand how life on Earth has responded to changes over time. It provides us with a long-term perspective on biodiversity, adaptation, and extinction. It's like a natural laboratory where we can study life's resilience and vulnerability in the face of environmental changes. This discovery is a testament to the power of paleontology. It's a science that allows us to travel back in time, to explore worlds that have long since vanished, and to unravel the mysteries of life's history. Each fossil is a piece of the puzzle, a clue that helps us piece together the grand saga of life on Earth. We are uncovering the secrets of the past, one fossil at a time. What does a 20-million-year-old worm have to do with us today, you may wonder? Well, the answer lies in the intricate web of life that weaves together the past, present, and future. The ancient worm and its modern-day descendants, like the bobbit worm, share a strikingly similar hunting strategy. These predatory marine worms lurk in the seabed, ready to explode out of their burrows and drag unsuspecting prey into the sediment. This behavior is a testament to the effectiveness of their hunting tactics that have been perfected over millions of years. But the connection goes beyond just shared behaviors. The study of these ancient creatures offers invaluable insights into the ecosystems of the past. It helps us understand the complex interactions among various life forms and how they shaped the world as we know it. Moreover, the fossilized burrows of these ancient worms represent a new group of animals named Penycnus. These traces they left behind give us a unique glimpse into the lives of organisms that are long gone. So, why is this relevant to us? Well, understanding the past helps us to better understand the present. The lessons we learn from these ancient worms could potentially shed light on the survival strategies of other species, including our own. Furthermore, this knowledge could also guide our efforts in preserving current ecosystems. By studying the robust and diverse paleo-ecosystems, we can gain insights into what makes an ecosystem resilient, which could be crucial in the face of modern challenges such as climate change. In essence, the seemingly distant past is closely intertwined with our present and future. The study of these ancient creatures and their environments not only unravels the mysteries of the past, but also illuminates our path forward. The past, it seems, is not as distant as we once thought. With every discovery, new questions arise. As we delve deeper into the fascinating world of these ancient marine worms, the enigma they present only seems to grow. From their size to their predatory tactics, the bobbit worm and its extinct ancestor have left us with more questions than answers. One of the most pressing questions is, how did these creatures become such successful predators? With their explosive hunting style and their ability to drag prey into the sediment, they were undoubtedly formidable. But what evolutionary pressures led to these strategies? And how did they maintain their dominance in the ecosystem for such a long period? The fossilized burrows give us a glimpse into their size, but what about their appearance? What did these ancient worms look like? We can only speculate based on their modern descendants, but the true picture remains obscured by the sands of time. Another intriguing query is about their habitat. Although the fossilized burrows were found in the Eurasian seabeds, could these creatures have had a wider geographical range? Could they perhaps have terrorized the seas worldwide? Moreover, what was the ecological impact of these worms? How did they shape the marine life around them? In the paleontological puzzle, where exactly do these creatures fit? These questions are just the tip of the iceberg. The discovery of the Panicnus, the new group of animals identified by their trace fossils, opens up a whole new field of research. The study of these burrows could potentially reveal more about the ancient marine ecosystem and its inhabitants. The researchers are excited about the future. Plans are afoot to conduct more extensive excavations and detailed studies of the fossilized burrows. The hope is to uncover more about these fascinating creatures and their place in our planet's history. The journey of discovery, it seems, is never-ending. So, what does this terrifying discovery tell us? This chilling revelation of an ancient predatory bobbit worm lurking beneath the Eurasian seafloors 20 million years ago reminds us of the constantly evolving tapestry of life. It's a testament to the fascinating cycle of evolution, where a creature as terrifying as this nightmare worm once dominated its ecosystem, only to be replaced by the next wave of species. It's a story of survival and adaptation, where the bobbit worm, with its ambush tactics and its burrows, left an indelible mark on the seabed and on history itself. This discovery not only paints a vivid picture of our planet's past, but also demonstrates how survival in the natural world often boils down to the law of the fittest. And what of the new group of animals identified, the Panicnus? Their traces, fossilized in the burrows of this ancient worm, are tangible proof of a thriving, diverse ecosystem. They remind us that every creature, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a crucial role in the grand scheme of life. This journey into the past also has implications for the present and the future. It's a sobering reminder of the cyclical nature of life on Earth. Species rise, dominate, and eventually decline, making way for new life forms. This cycle has been repeated countless times over the Earth's history, and it will continue to do so. And finally, this discovery underscores the thrill of scientific exploration. It's a thrilling testament to the undying human curiosity that drives us to delve into the mysteries of the world around us. It's a reminder of the joy of discovery, of piecing together the puzzle of our planet's history, one fossil at a time. In the depths of the ocean and the sands of time, there are secrets waiting to be discovered. So keep wondering, keep exploring, because who knows what we might uncover next.